Hello everyone, welcome to Kavi Art Studio. I'm Kavitha and I will take you through my new art studio in Nallagandla. It is built in a very unique manner using eco-friendly materials like compressed mud bricks and clay roof tiles. I'm certain that you will like the vintage look. Now, let's go through my great artwork, which is a confluence of about 50 unique and different art styles. Teaching was, is, and always will be my passion. I greatly enjoy teaching numerous art types to various age groups since 18 years. I am extremely happy and proud to have students from across the world through online and offline classes. I hope you like my new studio and I am eagerly waiting to see you all in person very soon. Thank you.